Now, you just saw Kirby tradition do its job, and uh, it is the best looking Kirby ever, in my opinion. People opinions varies a lot, and oh man, that is so fantastic in my opinion. Now I would never ever use this for whole apartment vacuuming. Way too much trouble, but for deep cleaning rooks it is fantastic, absolutely fantastic vacuum. Now this has pneumatic HEPA flow bag, and it is in. I really can't believe how good condition this is. Not was, it is. So this is one of those vacuums what you take out when you really want to enjoy. And amount of airflow what this has, even with that only 2-inch fill tube, it is amazing. You could see how it lifted the rook without any trouble. And this should be now 4K, and I make sure that this is 4K video now. And so okay, let's see that back system, and I check that you can see that. Yes, you can. So okay, this is a bit funny because it is in reverse order. This fill tube is not showing this way, so it's in good condition. And there is the pneumatic HEPA flow bag, because I absolutely do not want to use paper bags, and you can see how big this bag is. So this is the modification what I did. I took out the original fill tube and replaced it with this plumbing fitting what is just the right size for the HEPA flow bag. And there is this notch what keeps it from coming out, and why it is angled like that is to allow airflow to come out even if the bag is pushed against this. So that is the modification what I did, and these are very big bags, these pneumatic HEPA flow bags. So no shake out bag for me, because they let so much dust and dirt, mainly fine dust out. So yes, there is that. So I have washed this completely. It has been in the washing machine and that outer bag. So let's check that. Brush roll. Now there is better brush rolls for this than this. Now this is this. I have to take. Well, I don't take that off, but there is only one row of these brushes, and you can get 2 rows. But I have adjusted this so that it comes a bit further away, so it is slightly more aggressive, and cost of that with shipping that 2-row plus roll is pretty insane, so I don't think that I am going to use that. If I remember how to put this back there. And I bought this from UK. If I remember, it was something like 120 euros. Now, spoiler alert for end of this video. There is coming one very nice battery operated, so cordless stick vacuum for whole apartment vacuuming, because I really need something like that. I mainly have these bulk machines, what are quite useless for my small apartment with tight places. So yes, that is coming, and I don't tell you anything more about it. You will see it when it comes. So, but this was something what I really wanted to enjoy, and surprisingly, I have not polished this for a long time, and it is still in very good shape. And all these are super shiny, and no marks or anything like that. So yes, that is my Kirby tradition. And yes, more is coming. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching, and goodbye.